Winter is here, and this is my heated hat. So this has a battery pack in it. The battery pack is in the back in this little concealed pocket. Okay, you get power into this battery by using a USB-C plug. Okay, so you just use the USB-C plug. It's got an on-off button and an indicator there. It tells you how much power is in there. So when you put it on, this is what it looks like. The heat, I can feel it. It's radiating here. You have three settings, low, medium, and high. So if you look here on the side, this is the button. It actually lights up when the battery is plugged in. I don't have it plugged in right now, but maybe I'll just quickly do that so you can see. So plugged in, you see now it's on high, medium, and low. It also comes with a like face mask kind of thing where you can, if you want to have additional warmth, you could do that. And also it has this. So if it was like blizzarding outside and you need to go outside, this would be something very nice to have. So there you go. That's what it looks like. And I'll unclip it. The battery conceals very nicely in this little compartment back there, and it zips up. So yeah, pretty neat contraption. Something very nice to have for those cold winter days, especially winter nights.